This is the unboxing video of Wyave solar and battery powered camera WSC-PT3-4G. It had a SIM card that comes in a package. This is the user manual. The solar panel, extension cable for separate installation, accessory bag, the installation bracket, and the camera body. This video shows how to connect the Wyave 4G camera into the phone app. This is a quick show of the camera body, the SIM card slot, the TF card slot, and the reset button. Here is the power switch. Now it's in off status. And the micro USB charging port. Now let's insert the SIM card while the camera is in off status. Please pay attention to the orientation. You might need the scissors if necessary. And then insert the TF card. But TF card is not necessary. Then power on the camera. Now wait for the indicator light turns into solid blue. This may take up to several minutes. Okay, now the indicator light has already turned into solid blue. Use the app to scan the QR code. Okay, camera installed successfully. Now you can live view the camera from the phone app. This is to show the pan tilt function. Now let's introduce how to install the Wyave camera onto the wall, integrated with the solar panel. So this is a bracket. This bracket includes two parts. This part is the wall mount bracket. Now install the wall mount bracket onto the wall. This is a solar panel bracket. Install the solar panel bracket onto the wall mount bracket. And then rotate the solar panel into the solar panel bracket. And now install the camera bracket onto the camera body. Then insert the charging cable into the charging port. And then insert the camera body into the wall mount bracket. And use this special screw to secure the connection between the wall mount bracket and the camera bracket. And now let's introduce how to install the solar panel separately. We need to disassemble this small round panel first of the solar panel. Save the two small screws for future use. And install the small round panel onto the wall. And then rotate the solar panel bracket into the small round panel. And now rotate the solar panel into the bracket and adjust its facing direction in order to receive the best charging efficiency. And connect the solar panel with the camera using the extension cable.